so I'm using my iPhone. Look at the storm, you guys. I'm using my iPhone since my GoPro keeps messing up. Yo, look at this. This is insane. I'm gonna start wiping the window a bit. Once again. Look at the water back there. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. This is insane. Oh my gosh. This is... Yes. Oh my gosh. Look at the ceiling fan. It's hailing. Oh my gosh. It's hailing.
Yes, sir. Judah, yes, sir.
It's hailing.
Ask blue. Ask blue first.
Oh my gosh, this might mean it's a twister. Yo, this might mean there's a tornado. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Where is their plan?
This is gonna be awesome.
Look at Melvin up to me there.
It's hailing. Oh my gosh. Listen to this.
Look at this guy.
Holy crap.
Yo, it's hit. I'm hit. Snow on fire.
Yeah, this is crazy. Oh my god. Look how misty it is. Yo, this is insane.
This is what hit me.
Oh my god!
Okay.
I just got hit.
Oh my goodness.
That looks like a rat.
Now you can do it. Now you can do it.
Oh my god. This is crazy. Look at all this hail.
No. It's in my hair.
What the
Alright, so the storm is over. You can see a bit of an aftermath here. It was kind of crazy. Like, didn't last long. I'm glad I got to see a good storm. I actually thought there was gonna be a tornado because of the hail, but fortunately there wasn't. So, but yeah, nothing really was damaged. Just I think hopefully that tree didn't fall down like that's at my house. So, we just got playing a new airsoft game we invented called People vs. Zombies. I did not like being a zombie because I kept getting shot. Now look at the sky. That's the sky. It's raining, but there's no thunderstorm. It's thundering a little.
He got too excited. He shot one person. He was like, ah!
Here it comes again.
Yeah, he
I heard
thought
some
he got
fire trucks.
takeover.
That means that it's probably some bad weather.
Dude,
Yeah,
I saw that. I was like,
that's crazy.
yeah, I was about to attack him. I was like, they're going to leave you and distract Tanner so I could go. I was hoping Tanner would leave me for dead. Yeah. With the plane rain going down the hill, I couldn't stop myself. I was like, no. Yeah. I was into the lake.
Getting pretty nasty now. Let me hold it this way. I hope I didn't just mess my other lights up. Some kind of lightning. Well, I hate it. It's kind of cool though. So I'm about to go to bed. It's a crazy storm, crazy weather, but you know, did have one thing that went wrong today, but I'm not gonna say. Though it just involves family, I'll just go ahead and say that. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.